The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continued launching attacks with high precision, long-range air and sea-based armaments at the military control and energy system facilities of Ukraine. All the assigned targets have been neutralized. Russian artillery and army aviation have neutralized the manpower and military equipment of the 14th and the 92nd Mechanized Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Sinkovka, Petropavlovsk, Peshchanoye, Ivanovka and Berestovoye in Kharkov region at Kupiansk direction. About 160 Ukrainian personnel, 4 armored combat vehicles, 2 artillery guns, 1 pickup and 2 motor vehicles have been eliminated. Ukrainian Battalion Tactical Group made an unsuccessful attempt to launch an offensive towards Strapovka in Donetsk People's Republic at Lysychansk direction. Intense action of Russian troops has resulted in driving the Ukrainian units back to their initial positions. Over 50 Ukrainian personnel, 6 tanks, 2 armored combat vehicles and 4 pickups have been eliminated. Russian troops have prevented an attempt made by Ukrainian units to break the defense near Bruskinskoye in Kherson region at Nikolayev Kryvyi Rog direction. Over 100 Ukrainian personnel, 13 armored combat vehicles and 8 motor vehicles have been eliminated. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 2 command posts near Dvurechная in Kharkov region, Drobyshevo in Donetsk People's Republic. 39 artillery units at their firing positions, 127 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 6 munitions depots have been destroyed near Figolivka in Kharkov region, Verkhnekamenskoye, Soledar in Donetsk People's Republic, Novogrigorovka in Nikolayev region, Novopetrovka and Davidov Brod in Kherson region. 1 storage of fuel for Ukrainian military equipment has been destroyed near Nikolayev. Moreover, 1 post for the Ukrainian armament and equipment repair works has been destroyed near Bereznegovatoye in Nikolayev region. Within the counter-battery warfare, 1 Ukrainian Smerch MLRS battery has been neutralized near Kazachya Lopan, as well as 1 US-manufactured M700 77 howitzer battery near Metalovka in Kharkov region. Air defense facilities have destroyed 9 unmanned aerial vehicles near Yagodnoye in Kharkov region, Pilipovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Novoselka, Valerianovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Shirokaya Balka, Sukhanovo, Tomarino, Petikatki and Ingulovka in Kherson region. 21 projectiles launched by HIMARS and Olha MLRS have been shot down near Vladimirovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Olgovka, Nikolaevka, Novaya Kakhovka, Vesoloye and Otrada Kamenka in Kherson region. Moreover, 2 US-manufactured HARM anti-radar missiles have been intercepted near Antonovka in Kherson region. In total, 323 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,256 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,855 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 871 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,484 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,610 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.